Hi everyone, it's Nat from Studio Hacks and welcome to my top 3 iPhone secrets, episode 1. These are secrets that I've uncovered for my iPhone that make life a lot easier and are just really cool. So let's jump straight into it. Number 1 is the ability to scan documents directly to your phone and save them as a PDF using the Files app. So I'm going to locate my Files app, which is right here. If you don't know where that is, just swipe down gently and type in Files. It will usually take you to the Recent tab all the way down there at the bottom, but if we go to Browse, we then have these little blue dots up the top right hand corner. Tap on those and select Scan Documents. It will then open up your camera, and what you do is you just take your phone up to the right level where it can see the entire document, and it should take a snapshot of that automatically. And then if we hit save, it'll ask us where do we want to save it. I've created a folder on my iPhone called Scans, and if I hit save, that's where it will end up. And if I want to locate where that is, I just open my Files app, select on my iPhone, find where my Scans folder is, and then there it is right there. A scanned document that I can email or message to anybody. I also have a longer video showing you how to edit these and how to compile multiple pictures into one PDF. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. My second iPhone secret is the back tap mechanism, which was included in iOS 14. To activate this, we're simply going to go to our settings. From settings, we're going to scroll down and find accessibility. Under accessibility, we select the touch under physical and motor. And all the way down the bottom, we have the back tap. If I select this as on, we can select a double tap and a triple tap. So you'll see that I've got Shazam as my double tap and camera as my triple tap. So if at any point I tap the back of my iPhone 3 times, it'll automatically go to my camera app. And if I tap it, I'll just get out of that. If I tap it twice, it will Shazam something that I'm listening to. That is so cool because I hate looking for the Shazam app if I'm on a different screen and I just want to do it straight away. That way I can just tap the back of my iPhone 3 times, and I've found that it doesn't do this accidentally very often. Occasionally it'll think you're wanting to Shazam something, but it's actually quite good at picking up just the tap of your finger. The third iPhone secret that I love is the ability to screen record any video and save it into your photos without having to download it at all. To enable the screen recording feature, we're going to go to Settings. We're going to scroll down to Control Center right here. And we're going to make sure that if we don't see the screen recording under Included Controls, I'm going to remove that by hitting the little red minus right next to it. So if you don't see it under the Included Controls, you can go down and find Screen Recording down here and hit the green plus. And now when we swipe down from the top right hand corner, this is the control center. If it's an older iPhone, I think you swipe up from the bottom. You'll now see this little icon right here, which is the screen record button. So I'm going to go and record a YouTube video off of my own channel. I'm going to pop this in landscape mode. There we go. So I've paused the start of the video and I'm going to swipe down from the top right hand corner, find the screen record, and it will give me a little countdown. If I start doing this now, it's going to actually end this stream on my computer. See, it's going to give me a little error there. But basically, you just hit that, it'll count down to 3, then you go and hit play on the video that you want to record. When you want to stop, you just swipe down and hit that again. Now, that will then process that for a few seconds or up to a minute if it's a really long video, and save it to your Photos app. Here's a short screen recording that I made, and you'll see that when I go to the start of the screen recording, I can see that little control center there. If I want to get rid of that, I can tap Edit on the top right hand corner, and that will allow me with these little controls on either side, right here, to trim the start and get rid of that control center and trim the end if I did that at the end as well. And then I can go done and I can save it as a new clip, or I can just destructively save this video, which will save it as the same file and without, so you can't actually get it back. I often like to save as a new clip in case I want to go back and edit it again. So those are my top 3 iPhone secrets that I use all the time and really enjoy. I hope you found this content valuable. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Check out the link in my description for all my current special offers and all of my courses that I have available. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.